In this quick video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of Downloader on your Google Smart TV. This tutorial will work on any smart TV as long as it runs on the Google TV interface. For this video, I'll be using a Hisense Google TV. I'll also show you one of the best working downloader codes you can use to quickly access and install your favorite apps. So, let's get started. First, make sure your Google TV is connected to the internet. From the Google TV home screen, use your remote and navigate to the Apps section at the top of the screen. Once you're inside the Apps section, move over to the Search option and select it. You can now search for apps available through the Google Play Store. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Downloader. If your remote supports voice search, you can also press the Google Assistant button and simply say, Downloader. After searching, you should see the Downloader app in the results. Look for this orange Downloader app by AFTV News and select it. On the next page, select Install. Now, give it a moment while the Downloader app downloads and installs on your Google TV. Once the installation is complete, select Open to launch the app. When Downloader opens, you'll see a box where you can enter a website URL or a downloader code. Now, I'm going to show you a working downloader code that you can use to quickly access your favorite apps. Using the on-screen keyboard, enter this code, 8533602. You can use this downloader code to access a collection of apps and quickly install your favorite ones on your Google TV. And that's it. Downloader is now successfully installed on your Google TV and ready to use. Whenever you need it again, you can simply open it from the Apps section on your Google TV home screen. If this video helped you install Downloader on your Google TV, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Google TV tutorials, apps, settings, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.